Good Sunday morning, everyone. We are starting off the day a bit different than yesterday. More cloud cover to start off Sunday. In fact, you can see pretty dense fog from areas over toward our Dallas Tower Cam, even some of those low clouds near Monroe, Kannapolis as you're kicking off this morning. Now, yesterday we had some patchy fog, but this is locally dense fog in a few spots. You can see in portions there up toward Wilkes County. You can see parts of Mecklenburg County, about a mile or so of visibility. Southern parts of Union County, Anson County, down toward Chesterfield County and Chester right now, recording about 2.5 miles. Good news, though, is Morganton. Earlier, you were seeing about a quarter mile. That has since started to lift a bit. Now, rain is going to be likely once again in a few spots this afternoon, as this cold front is going to be slowly lifting north across the region. As it does so, it's going to be lifting north as a warm front, not only putting us in the warm and moist sector, but allowing for additional spin in the atmosphere, which means we could see some strong to severe thunderstorms. So first things first, let's time it out for you hour by hour. We're already seeing a few little sprinkles, some light rain for portions of the mountains. And I do think the mountains and foothills will start to see those storms a little bit earlier as we go throughout the day. So here we are at lunchtime. You can see a few pockets of light to moderate rain, starting to see a few storms develop there. Now, mainly north of I-40 between about 3 and 4 o'clock. But notice what happens as we get closer to about 6 and 7. A similar time frame to what we had yesterday. A few storms across the metro. Now, what's interesting about today's storms is I do think we'll see some across the metro, but areas north of Charlotte do have a touch of a higher opportunity there to see some of these thunderstorms, which is why I'm expecting those areas to see a higher risk for flash flooding. Tomorrow, more clouds on the way and more scattered showers and storms kicking off, as honestly Monday is more of a typical afternoon that we see here in late July and early August, as it will kick off the new month. Now, today's risk, of course, for strong to severe storms is low, but I still expect the primary threat there to be isolated flash flooding. And we mentioned this yesterday, but it's not just the fact that we're going to see a few areas of heavy rain today. It's the fact that we'll see heavy rain today based on the fact that we saw 1.5 inches or more in parts of the Charlotte metro area yesterday, which was the wettest day since April 18th. So multiple months since we've seen that much rain. Now, it wasn't a record by any stretch, but it did put us in a monthly surplus of almost 2 inches. And we haven't seen a surplus in a month of rain since January. So good news there. But still, because we have that risk there for flash flooding areas, especially north of Charlotte, you do want to, of course, be weather aware today. This risk for flash flooding should shift north of the Charlotte area by tomorrow. And then by Tuesday, it should be pretty much out of here as we head through the early part here of the work week as rain chances go down. So storms today could be strong to severe. Primary risk, again, still flash flooding, but some downburst winds and even a quick spin up tornado not out of the question. So download the WCNC Charlotte News app so you can get, of course, those updates from us. Now, scattered storms again on Monday, but look what happens by the middle part of the week. Good news is the rain chances go down because we'll need a break after so much rain, but high temperatures go up. Temperatures back in the mid 90s. And our feels like temps will reach the triple digits once again. We'll be right back.